Hey everyone! This time, meet the Moon. Wake Up, a Sprunki character that looks calm, but definitely isn't. And yes, I hid a few Sprunki characters in this video. If you notice them, write how many you found in the comments. The Moon Wake Up looks simple at first. A pale, moon-like face, empty black eyes, a wide smile that feels a little too sharp. He stands still, silent, like he's already watching you. But this Sprunki is all about tension. He doesn't rush. He doesn't joke. His whole vibe is built around one idea. Something is about to happen, and you don't know when. When the moment comes, he repeats the phrase, "The moon, wake up," in a slow, unsettling way. Not loud, not aggressive, just calm enough to make it worse. His movements are minimal. No dancing, no wild animations. Just small motions that feel intentional, like he knows exactly what he's doing. There's no clear story here, no explanation, just the feeling that the moon is awake now, and it's looking straight at you. So, yeah, this is the Moon Wake Up. Quiet, creepy, and unforgettable. A Sprunki that doesn't need noise to get into your head.